Hi y'all, it's me. I am so excited because it is now 6 days away till I go down to Disney. Pretty much what I've been doing this week is I am cleaning up my room, going through all of my stuff and figuring out what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. I am going to take you on a little tour of my stuff. Here we go. Okay, so we are going to start with the closet. Just kidding. I have a phone call. Who is this? Oh, it's my mom. Hold on, please. Sorry, it was my mom. If you couldn't hear, my ringtone definitely is Part of Your World by The Little Mermaid. You know, because I can't. I love Disney. Anyway, the closet is where we're going to start. So, we can see if I can zoom it back here. Alright, so, really awesome cards. Not bringing those. Gonna pack those up. Alright, so here we are in my lovely, somewhat messy closet. Alright, we have my pantry right now. Pretty much all I have is some ramen noodles, some grits, some cereal, and pasta sauce. Yeah. Oh, the life of a college student. Okay, so clothes, definitely bringing those. Not exactly sure about this. This is all my belly dancing stuff. I think I probably will bring this because never know when I want to make a video and, you know, have some extra jingle. So, I probably will bring those. I got these at Bed Bath & Beyond. Pink hangers. Yeah, I know, be jealous. So, I got my accessories here. I'm bringing those for sure. Yeah, clothes, glittery shirt. You can never have enough of that. Mardi Gras beads. Probably staying here. But then again, I'm not sure. See, this is so hard. This is why this week is really crazy for me. Alright, so sewing machine. Definitely staying here. I don't need to bring all my sewing stuff. And here's all my fabric. I don't need all of that, unfortunately. I am, however, not sure if I want to bring my paint stuff and all my art supplies because I definitely want to keep building up my portfolio, and especially at Disney, you know, it probably would be really good, so probably going to bring that. Okay, so what I am bringing so far is right here in this, my recliner chair. Alright, you can't really make it out too well, but I have bought a really cute purple towel, and I got a couple more of those. Some new bedding. I really like this bedding because it's polka dots, but if you look closely, I mean, I don't know, it could kind of be a hidden Mickey, I guess. You know, not too much, but I also have some wall decor, and I have an extra pillow, and this is my laundry bag. You're totally gonna laugh at me though, because it's got Disney pictures all over it. Yeah, so I'm bringing that. Also, I got this really cool shoe organizer thing. Yeah, that's pretty neato. And yeah, so that's definitely the bedding I'm bringing. This is the bedding I'm currently using. Don't laugh, but it's totally a Camp Rock bedding. Definitely not mine, totally my sister's, I promise. Paintings, not sure if they're keeps going or staying. This one definitely, if I'm bringing any of them, this one's definitely going because I painted it. If you cannot tell, it is Dopey and Sneezy here. Yeah, that's pretty much all the pictures that I'm bringing with me. Various ones of like family and friends, like this one right here. My best friend Taylor is getting married. Go him. Really, this is truly hard. Like, this whole thing has been, I don't know, it's really hard to try to figure out what I want to bring with me because once I move down there, I'm planning on staying, so I really have no clue of what I want to bring. Help me. Anyway, so if you have any ideas or comments or anything about what I should and should not bring, or if you've been at the Disney College Program before and you're like, okay Kelsey, definitely don't bring this, but you're really gonna need this, I could really use the help. So you leave me a comment or, you know, message me or something. Or find me on Facebook or on Twitter, I'm on there too. So yeah, if anyone wants to help me, let me know. Alright, thank you. This is Kelsey. Peace out, y'all.